Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be trying Folake's makeup routine. She posted like a in-depth tutorial on TikTok, so we're going to start. I already did my skincare, so yeah, let's get started. So she starts off by filling in her brows lightly. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I don't even know what shade this is and it just broke. Filled them in at the ends with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Erase Concealer at the top and use my Fenty Beauty at the end. So this is the Maybelline Age Eraser Rewind, some shit like that. I bought this a little minute ago, so her makeup is always tea, so you know I gotta try her makeup routine. And I want to get like a wig from the vendor she used, but I haven't even texted the vendor because I'm like, I don't even got the money to even start a conversation. Because I realize I'll be like texting the vendors on like Alibaba, and then I leave them and then I ghost them basically. Because I realize like, girl, you don't even got the money to buy the wig. Why are you wasting these people's time? I'm going to use the same brush. My Fenty Beauty concealer. It's gonna clean up the ends. It says she sets that with powder, so I'm gonna set it. I'm using a one size powder because that's like all I have to set. And this is the ColourPop E1 brush. I used to love this brush, and I'm just gonna lightly dust my powder over it. Okay, so next she primes. She uses the one size primer, but all I have is e.l.f., so we're gonna use that. She is hydrating anyway, like it gives you the glowy look, so that's what she was going for. She uses a darker concealer than her skin tone to cream contour or liquid contour or whatever, but I don't have a darker concealer for my skin tone. I do have this Makeup Revolution bronzer, so we're gonna go in with that. And she said use a dense brush. And she said she basically just, ooh, that was a lot. Shit, I haven't used this in a while, so she basically uses this to bronze and contour. She does her chin too. I always do my jawline and my chin. And she uses this brush to just put it on there, and then she uses a bigger brush. Then she uses a fluffy brush to blend it out.
How you feel?
I feel okay. I mean, I posted a TikTok video and I had 2 hate comments. So.
Why?
Okay, y'all. Next, she goes in with concealer. So the lighter part is at the inner, the darker part is at the outer. She also does like a specific like concealer routine. I'm not sure if it's gonna work for my face, but we just following what she do, so yeah. So lighter concealer right here. Does like this in the middle of her forehead, and she like drags it down. But he's not in the center. Okay, this is as close as I can. My nose thing not even in the fucking middle. I don't even give a fuck. And she goes in with the darker concealer. I'ma just put a little bit right here. Okay, I went in with the darker concealer, and I like to use a brush to blend out my concealer. I use the Morphe M173, and she blends out the darker one first, so we're gonna blend that out first, and then after that we're gonna blend everything else out. She goes in with blush before blending out the rest of the concealer. She uses a brush, but I like to use my finger. I think it was a cream blush that she used. This is a liquid, I think, or yeah, this is a liquid. And she blends it out with a brush as well, but I like to use a sponge, so I'm gonna do that. because I don't have a blush brush that will blend out my creams. Actually gonna blend out all of the concealer. I'm not gonna lie, I might have went a little bit too heavy with my blush, y'all, but whatever. She said it don't gotta be perfect when you blend out your concealer, but it needs to be blended out, so. Looking at it before starting with powder, I definitely messed up the nose somewhere. She goes in with just one pump of foundation. Usually I do two, but she used one pump, and she uses that with her brush, and she goes everywhere. Basically, she goes everywhere she didn't go with the other product. So she said, like, underneath the contour. One pump, I don't know if that's enough for me, y'all. I don't know. Underneath the contour, around the mouth, like the forehead. So like everywhere I didn't put contour, I'm putting my foundation. Or like product, not contour, product. So like mainly like right here. Mainly them kind of spots. She goes in with some more light concealer, but she said only like at the very inner corner, and she blends that out. So she takes enough powder to set it. I use the one size powder, so in Rich Peach. I use the one size powder in Rich Peach, and I'm just taking this on a big fluffy brush like the Morphe R36, and I'm just gonna stab that into my under eyes. So next she goes in with the powder and bakes. I haven't baked in years, y'all, so this is very different for me because I'm not a baker. I used to bake, but my skin is so dry I don't bake anymore. And she still uses a brush. I'm like surprised she don't use a powder brush. I'm following the one that's like pinned on her page, and she like bakes the side of her nose right here too. It's looking good, but the baking, this part is kind of dumb, y'all. Okay, so she sets the rest of her face with a darker loose powder. I don't have a darker loose powder, but I have like a darker pressed powder. Brush it everywhere. I might be missing stuff because I realized I didn't put any powder on my forehead or my chin, but whatever. And she says she uses the darker powder to wipe off her bake. Okay. No, I remember doing this. This is an old beauty guru, you know, tip from back in the day. After that, she goes in with her blush. She says she loves blush. Her blush is darker than mine, but, well, no, not even darker. It's like brighter than mine. So we're just gonna go in with our blush, our powder blush. Then she does the cat eye, like a wing eyeliner. I don't even have liquid eyeliner to even try that, so we're gonna skip that. Then she says she goes in with her bronzer after doing the blush, and I'm gonna use my bronzer shade. Not even bronzer, this is my contour. I don't have, like, the bronzer was the cream one I used earlier. I'm just gonna contour the face a little more. Sprays her face. I have the Milani, that's all I got. We gonna use this. She uses the Morphe to melt everything in. This, I feel like it melts it pretty well as well. And then after it dries completely, she goes back in with a little bit of powder. So next she goes in with the brown lip liner. I'm just using this one from Ofra on my little... I skipped a couple steps, but she lines her borderline, so I'm gonna do that with this black eyeliner. She does her mascara. She said she does her lower lash mascara very messy. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. I applied that too messy, but whatever. Also uses Lily Lashes Mykonos. If y'all know, Lily Lashes used to have the makeup game on lock. Like, if you was not that bitch if you was not wearing Lily Lashes. Because I was begging to get Lily Lashes. No, bitch, was $30 a pair of lashes. $30 for some lashes. And everybody said Lily Lash Miami, Lily Lash Mykonos. I had to give me my Miamis, bruh. I was that bitch with the Miamis. I don't got them no more, these clusters, but times are good. Okay. So her lip was like a little more coral. Mine is going to be more pink. I'm going to use Fussy. This is the mini version. Okay guys, final thoughts on the makeup routine. So I love everything. I love how my makeup looks. It's definitely different than mine, like how I usually do my makeup. I feel like I use more product and I have like a more, like, this is full glam beat. Like, this is full glam beat. I have like a more full glam beat. I usually try to do like soft glam type shit, but this is very full glam, like very flawless. Like, I haven't baked in a long time. Like, I don't bake, but like underneath my eyes are very smooth. The skin is still very glowy. The only thing I had like a little bit of a problem with was the contour, the nose contour. I just can't comprehend it. I don't know. Nose contour has never been my strong suit, so that's probably why. But I mean, my nose don't look horrible. It's just, I don't think it looks how hers look. Like, hers look way better. I missed a step somewhere. I need to rewatch it and follow the directions again. But I love the way the makeup looks. Like, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror, like, not even in this lighting, and it looks really good. Like, I mean, I'm not surprised because, like, her makeup routine is tea, and her makeup is always tea. But I'm looking at myself and I'm like, wow, like, because it is different than mine. She uses less foundation, instead she uses more concealer. So like, that definitely makes a difference. Like, do y'all see how my face looks? Do y'all see this? This is how it looks in real life, IRL, okay? Like, I look amazing. And like, it honestly, I look better than when I do my makeup my normal way. Like, I might have to start doing it her way, because like, why do I look better than when I do my makeup? Like, okay, period. Now I gotta take some wig trips from her. Like, she really ate. Like, I'm looking at myself, y'all, she really ate, y'all. She really ate. Like, she ate down. I mean, she always eat down, but like, me trying it out on myself and looking this good, period. Especially like, not even under the ring light, but like under natural, like my rim light not even on. Damn. Guys, like this video of me trying Folake's makeup routine, please give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below if y'all tried it, And let me know if y'all like it. Y'all, I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. I'm ready to start doing my makeup like this every time I do my makeup, because she ate. Like, she ate like I can't even say anything else, but she ate. Like, I gotta give it to her. Like, turn off my ring light. Okay, the flash is on. Let me show y'all what I look like with the flash on. Like, do y'all see my makeup? Like, she ate. Damn, I should have did this last night when I went out. Like, what the fuck? And be sure to leave a comment down below on whose makeup routine I should try next. And yeah, go check out my last video. Period.